This tutorial demonstrates how to check if your Windows firewall is up. You hit the Windows button and you could type in Control Panel and you see it pops up. Going to your Control Panel, you hit System and Security. Under System and Security, you hit Windows Defender Firewall. You click Firewall Status to double check if your firewall is up. As you see here, the firewall domain is connected. In order to exit, you can hit the X arrow, or you can go back to this arrow. We'll take the X. There you have it to check your Windows firewall status.